This is what the Arduino Uno IC and its pin out. And this is the datasheet of Atmega 8328P, that is Arduino Uno IC. These are general features of microcontroller. Right now we will see only about the data memory. There are 32 general purpose registers, 224 input output registers, and 1048 byte internal SRAM. Many of the input output registers are reserved. This is the Arduino blank sketch, that there is only white setup and white loop. Okay, this is the disassembly file for the Arduino blank sketch. In this sketch only white setup and white loop is present. Vector 20 is interrupt based jump instruction. We are seeing that there are so many jump instruction which are jumping to the address 8C. In this set of jump instruction, only two jump instructions are different. That is at the vector address 90, hex 90, and the other one is at the address hex 68. All these instructions are placed at the beginning of program memory location, because all this depends on the interrupt. When the interrupt occur, these instructions will execute. Let us see what is present at the address location 8C. At this address, jump 0 instruction is present. It means we jump to the beginning of the program memory location. So whenever we come here at this location, we will jump back to the starting of program code or beginning of the program. Now let us see what is present at the location 90, hex 90, that is at the vector 16. What is vector 16 is? Here at this location we can see that some registers are preserving by pushing them at stack. Exclusive OR operation with the same register giving us the value 0. Then some RAM location values are loading into the registers. Then comparison and conditional branching is present there. Then value 1 is added into the word R24 and R25. Then addition with the carry of word. Register R26, R27s are combining form X pointer register. Then storing the values on RAM location and then popping all the values back, which preserves on the stack previously. Return from the instruction, that is RETI. Curiosity to know the Arduino assembly language programming is the only reason behind this video. Practical use is 0. We will continue with our NRF24L01 wireless communication Arduino programming in coming episode. Thank you for watching this video.